33. The two Ten Commandments. When God gave the Ten Commandments to Moses, he instituted thereby the laws to govern man's relationship to God and to his fellow men. The first 4 commandments govern worship. The other 6 govern the family, property, man's speech and testimony, thou shalt not bear false witness against thy neighbour, and the heart of man, thou shalt not covet. With the triumph of Christianity in the Western world, these laws became basic to all society, and the result was Christian civilization. In 1847, however, another set of 10 commandments for man and society were proclaimed by Marx and Engels in the Communist Manifesto. It was a program stated deliberately in 10 points in order to provide the new law for mankind to replace the Bible and its 10 commandments. Marx's new 10 commandments called for 1. Abolition of private property and land, 2. The income tax, 3. Abolition of all right of inheritance, 4. Confiscation of all property of rebels and emigrants, 5. A national bank monopoly and concentration and centralization of credit in its hands, 6. State control of communications and transport, 7. State ownership of factories and instruments of production, 8. Equal liability of all to labour and establishment of industrial armies, especially for agriculture, 9. Combination of agriculture with industry and the abolition of the distinction between town and country, 10. Free education plus child labour as a part of education. The result, Marx believed, would be a wonderful and happy world. Except for Marx's call for a new form of child labour, all his 10 commandments are now in part or in whole in operation. The Communist Manifesto is a better description of our political goals than party platforms, but the closer we get to Marx's communist heaven on earth, the more it resembles hell. In every society, there must be a basic law, a fundamental law that establishes right and wrong. This, the 10 Commandments, has done for Western civilization for centuries. It has made God the ultimate lawgiver, the judge of right and wrong. The 10 Commandments has made worship, family, property, and moral integrity basic to man and society. It has been the foundation of our legal systems, as T.R. Ingram has shown in The World Under God's Law. Quote, what Marx wanted, and what modern politics is doing, is to break up Christian civilization to create a new order, one based neither on God nor on godly character, law and morality, but on environmentalism. Man is not a sinner, Marx believed, and it is not man's fault that he fails. It is his environment. Change the environment, change the world, and you will change man, and the results will be paradise on earth. 2 law systems are at war today. 2 sets of 10 commandments. One offers man the good life through faith, godly morality and law. The other offers the good life through changing the environment, that is, by revolutionary action. For the Christian, the environment can only truly be changed as men are changed, and these men then remake their world and place it under God's law. For the Marxist, men are changed by changing the environment, because man is only a reflex of his environment, not a lord over it. Between these 2 positions there can be no peace nor any coexistence.